Hi friends, welcome to Naviramart channel. In Nikki Nama, super cute urukam beads bracelet epdi easy, make penrathu nu pakalam. First, Namaku the Vayana materials. Colorful beads, elastic thread, scissors and pliers. Elam ready of echkonga. Ipo elastic thread idasu. Unga hand size, kukanjam extra length la cut panunga. Oru side la small knot padinam. Idu beads slip agama uruka help panam. Ipo beads, anu a thread la insert panunga. Ungaluku pidicha design la range panalam. Bracelet length, correct uruka new hand la tripani check panunga. Too tight uruka kudathu. Loose uruka kudathu. Correct size vanta pram. Strong knot padinam. Double knot padunga, safety ku. Extra thread, urund has scissors la cut panunga. And that's it. Nama beautiful beads, bracelet ready. Ungaluku pidikairanta like, share, subscribe panunga. Meet you in next video.